not all abandoned. You get a little bit back beyond the time there. I'm afraid there are maybe some people stuck in there. Of course, hopefully the ones that, the ones that are up to the rooftops, that water came up.
And that's on I-24, the interstate that's right near from my home. That's just unbelievable.
Saying the Tulip Grove was closed. Tom, what are you reporting?
Well, I just came to the intersection of
I don't understand.
Road and Old Lebanon Dirt Road, and I was talking to the Mount Juliet police officer. They're getting ready to close Mount Juliet Road down at the Old Lebanon Dirt Road intersection because the
Looks like a business.
Is up over the road. There's already been 2 cars that have been stranded when they tried to cross through on Old Lebanon Dirt Road. So
that's not a real uncommon occurrence there. That happens. It doesn't usually get that high where they have to close the road, but it can in that general vicinity come up over the roadway.
And they are getting ready to close it down there. They're in Wilson County over off George Ferry. I came across several areas where you couldn't go through because of the flooding over the road on George Ferry.
On Stewart's Ferry Road? Okay. So you were back behind the lake, back behind Percy? Priest Lake, Todd? Is that right? Yes, okay.
And that's all the gasoline and everything's coming out from the cars.
As we've noticed, we've been getting all sorts of calls in from our reporters.
Oil and everything else.
A lot of the secondary, and not so much secondary, we're talking about Mount Juliet Road. The shutdown, some major thoroughfares are being shut down. But what is continuing to be a basic course, we have interstate
trash, oil, gas.
Movement of water across 24. This is Mill Creek that has not only gotten out of its banks, it has gotten onto I-24. You can see the boat, unfortunately, probably could be used right now in a rescue scenario in that operation, but it is now turned over on its side. We have cars almost completely submerged, and it is now, looks like, Dave, it's pretty much on both sides, though it continues to be worse on the west.
Yeah, the wall still